Yo, it's me, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 of my favorite slimes. Wait, that's 6. 3 of my favorite slimes. Let's get to it. Oh yeah. I'm going to take you guys over here and just set you up really quick. Got slime on my shirt. Oh no. Okay, now here we go. This is a butter slime, and it is super big. It's good at squishing. It's good at stretching. Kind of. It is super, super soft. Let's see if it's good at spreading. I don't think it is, but because if it was good, you could just go like that by yourself, but I can't. This is how mine spreads. Okay, it spreads really good. It spread out that far. It's pretty good. Now, to the next, just regular fluffy slime. Okay, so here's a super sparkly one. It's so glittery, so this is going to be a terrible mess. Let me pause it whenever I get it out. Okay, it's out. It's so great for just hole punching it. Let's see the stretch. It's not bad at stretching. It's super great for this hole punch or the poke. You guys call it whatever you want. I call it hole punch. Now for the last one. And so here, guys, it's just regular fluffy slime. Stretches good, pokes good, and like, comment, subscribe. Bye.